On today's menu, a delicious recipe that is an absolute classic. Vegan sweet and sour tofu.
Lehou Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, if you received my recent first ever newsletter, I did mention I was going to hold the first ever giveaway. So be sure to stick around to the end of this episode to find out more about this amazing giveaway. But first, let's make some amazing sweet sour tofu.
Preheat the oven to 375. Dry half a pound of extra firm tofu with paper towel. Chop the tofu into cubes. Line the tofu on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Chop 3/4 of a green bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Chop 3/4 worth red bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Quarter half a red onion. Finely chop 2 pieces garlic. Finely chopped small piece ginger.
Right, so that's basically the prep done. Now let's make our sauce.
Small saucepan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1 teaspoon pink salt. Half cup apple cider vinegar. Two tablespoons ketchup. Stir. Let the sauce simmer and reduce for 10 to 15 minutes.
This is optional, but I quite enjoy it with some fresh pineapple.
Chop half cup worth of fresh pineapple into bite-sized pieces.
And that tofu is just beautifully crispy.
Saute pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Garlic and ginger. Veggies. Saute for about 5 minutes. Pineapple. Tofu. Sauce. Cook for another few minutes until everything becomes glossy. Plate. Green onion. You can now make this incredible sweet and sour tofu with absolute confidence.
That was incredibly easy. And serve this with some amazing rice, and you have yourself an amazing meal. That is so packed with flavor. It's sour, it's sweet, salty, that incredible flavor from the sweet pineapple just really enhances and lifts up this incredible dish. And just taking the time to bake those tofu cubes just gives it that really nice kind of crispy outer layer and doesn't fall apart when you stir fry it. That is really amazing. Right, so upon launching a brand new website recently, we also now have an official newsletter integration, and I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out, sign up for the newsletter, get a free 5-recipe ebook that I put together just for you, plus stay in the loop with exclusive content, exclusive updates, and of course, an incredible giveaway that I plan to do monthly because that is how proud I am to have us cooking together. So for this month's giveaway, I went out and I purchased this beautiful, amazing Italian olive wood serving board, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has an amazing live edge characteristic. It's a nice, thick, all one piece olive wood, and that is absolutely beautiful. Now, to be sure that you're eligible for this giveaway, be sure to check out that link in the description box below where I'll link to the official rules. There is absolutely no purchase necessary. You do have to be signed up for that newsletter because that's where I'll be announcing the winner at the end of the month. And I'll even cover the shipping cost. We do ship to most countries, not to all of them sadly, but I do cover the global shipping for it. So definitely check that out. This really is a phenomenal piece. And this Italian-made olive wood serving board is actually the same company that I purchased my cutting board from. And it's really absolutely just incredibly beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now, because it is the first ever giveaway, I'm going to do something very special and not only give away one of these amazing pieces, not two, not three, and not 4. I'm giving away 5 of these incredibly beautiful olive wood serving boards. And that is how proud I am to have us cooking together. So definitely check out that link, check out those official rules to be sure that you're eligible. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.